Welcome to Doplac CRM. Let's see how you can connect and manage your Facebook page with Doplac CRM. So click on social channels, another social, then click on connect social channels. And here it is, as I'm going to connect Facebook. So click on connect. As I already connected my Facebook account before with my Doplac.com account, that's why it's showing me reconnect. But for you, it will be continue with your Facebook account. And when you will click on continue with your Facebook account, you will land on the page where you can choose. You have two different options. You can choose whatever you are comfortable with. So I'm going to choose opt in current page only. So I'm going to choose all of my current pages that are available under the Facebook account. Then click on continue. Here it is. Those are the options you would be able to manage with your Doplac CRM. Then click on save. Got it. And here it is. Now you can connect the page you want to manage or you want to connect with your Doplac CRM. You just have to click on connect, as I'm going to connect those two pages. There it is. So all of them are actually connected successfully. Now you would be able to actually create and schedule post for the page, and here you can see how many posts in schedule, how many posts you have published for the page, and how many posts are in draft. And if you want to disconnect the page from your Doplac CRM account, it's very simple. Just click on delete button, then write down delete here to disconnect the page from your Doplac CRM account. So this is all about connecting a Facebook page to your Doplac CRM, and that's a way you can manage it very easily.